Coach Lonnie and Silvis. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back, returning subscribers. And if you are a new subscriber or you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But first, before you do that, watch my video. See if you can connect with me. I love collaborating, helping people become successful online. So take a look, check it out. Leave your likes, leave your comments, and subscribe to my channel. Anyway, this is a podcast video, and I'm going to talk about self-esteem. I'm actually giving advice to people to keep going, pursue your goals, don't let go of your vision. You have a big dream, so continue to dream and be a dreamer. Okay, today I want to talk about recognizing your positive thoughts. All right, recognize to be positive at all times, doing something that you enjoy that can help you and feel better about yourself and your situation. You know, every day we face all kinds of situations. Some days we have good days, some days we have bad days, but we always got to aim, continue to focus on making our day better, even if we have a bad day. If you suffer from a low self-esteem, then you're likely to find yourself much easier to remember yourself negative emotions, characteristics that you have that always have a habit of feeling, making yourself feel bad. Okay, you want to avoid all those things. Okay, you have better qualities. You have abilities, you have achievements, you have goals that are hidden inside of you. And one of the things that love to rob you is rob you from being successful. So you don't want to be robbed by being a victim of not being successful. So what you need to do is you need to recognize some positive things in yourself, in your life, and discover it. Okay, and give yourself credit. Okay, give yourself the things that you enjoy, the things that you are good at. Give yourself credit. You know, let that feed on you. Okay, you have the ability, you have the self-esteem to do anything you want. You can achieve anything you want. You have goals that you can achieve. Just think back of the things you did in the past. What have you achieved? Okay, actually sit down, relax, meditate, think on those thoughts, those achievements that you have achieved. Excuse me. Everyone has achieved a goal, so remind yourself of the things that you have achieved. Don't remind yourself of failure. You don't want to picture yourself as a failure, a doom, someone that hasn't just feel like you're worthless. You don't want to feel worthless. You want to feel worth. You need to replace your mindset with powerful words, words that are dynamic, powerful, that will uplift you and give you the power to overcome anything, you know, any issues that you're facing. Okay, just turn away and go the other direction and try something different, something new, so that you can be distracted from those negative thoughts in your mind. Okay, the way to do this is to look through yourself and identify your abilities, your qualities, your achievements. All right, be the example of an enthusiasm person. Be determined as determination. Have a sense of humor. Give yourself time. Give yourself patience. Okay, people who have low self-esteem sometimes have the tendency to judge themselves by what they think other people or society in general would want or value, rather than by what they themselves want or value. You need to acknowledge your own positive and recognize the value of yourself and taking pride of yourself, acknowledging your positive, and the very personal thing, the most important thing is don't judge yourself, okay? Don't look at yourself that you cannot do this. All right, I want you to remove that thought out of you because you can do anything you want. So remind yourself what you're doing and get your belief level, build your self-esteem, and believing in yourself is the most important thing because that's what's going to build your self-esteem. Okay, don't look at other people's issues. Look at your issues of your own self and work on you. All right, everyone, thank you for watching my video podcast. This is a Mindset Coach Nadia Ann Silva is giving you some tips and ideas how to build your self-esteem and acknowledge your positive thoughts. All right, take care, everyone. Don't forget to watch my suggested videos and continue watching my uploads as I give uploads daily every day. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, returning subscribers, and thank you, new subscribers, for supporting my channel. I hope everyone have a blessed day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.